Hello, grade 9. This is Batul, an English teacher from the Qarib School. In the previous lesson, we had a new type of grammar, which is about quantity words and expressions. And we had to distinguish between the words that used with countable nouns and the words that used with uncountable nouns. We said that the quantity words, which are many and a few, are used with countable nouns. And we said that much and little are used with uncountable nouns. And the rest of them, which are a lot of, some, and any, are used either with countable or uncountable nouns. So, in today's lesson, we're gonna answer or do the exercises here about the quantity words. Let's start with the first exercise. Complete the table with the following words, then add more nouns to the table. So we have words here. We're gonna classify them according to its type. Is it countable or uncountable? So we have miser, money, banknote, penny, check, gold. Let's start with the first word, which is miser. Miser is countable noun or uncountable noun. Can we say misers? Yes, we can say misers, so it's considered a countable noun. And the second one, which is money. Can we count money? No, we cannot. So money, or can we add s with money? No, we cannot add s. So it's uncountable noun. We use it with this column. And the third word, which is banknote. Banknote, is it countable or uncountable? Can you count your banknote? Banknotes, yes. So can you add s with notes? Yes. So it's countable. So banknote is with this column, countable nouns. And the fourth word, which is penny. Penny, can we say pennies? Can we count the pennies? Yes, so it's a countable noun. And the fifth word here is check. Can we say checks? Can we count the checks? Yes, we can, so it's a countable noun. And the last word we have gold. Is gold countable or uncountable? Can we say gold? No, we cannot. So gold is uncountable nouns. So the only two uncountable nouns are money and gold. And the rest are countable nouns such as miser, banknote, penny, check. These are all countable nouns. Now let's move to the exercise 2. Rewrite these sentences in your notebook using the words from the box. So we have the quantity words here: any, much, a little, a lot, many. Any, much, a little, a lot, many. Number 1. The market was very crowded. There were of people in the market. So whenever you see of, you write a lot, because a lot is always used with of. There were a lot of people in the market. People here, is it countable or uncountable? It's uncountable. 2. The poor man had no money. The poor man didn't have money. Here we have money, and we have a negative form here, didn't. So with a negative form, we always use any. So here the answer is the poor man didn't have any money. Now, number 3, there were hundreds of delicious cooking smells. There were blank delicious cooking smells. So, is the word cooking smells countable or uncountable? Yes, it's countable now. So we use many. There were many delicious cooking smells. Now, number 4, the poor man was hungry. He wanted a small amount of food. The poor man didn't want. Yes, what do we use here? He wants food, but not a large quantities of food. He needs a small quantity. So do we use here any? The poor man didn't want any food because this is a negative. No, we don't, because he want a small amount. So we use much. Much is for uncountable nouns such as food. So we use much food. He only wanted a little food. He didn't want much food. He didn't want a lot of food. He wanted a little food. So we used a little because food is uncountable now. Now find question number 3. Find 5 meaningful words in the crossword puzzle. Then say which quantifiers from the box can go with these words. Each word might work with more than one quantifier. So we have here, let's look at this row. We have C, H, E, Q, U, E. So this word is check. Check. So what quantifiers are used with the word check? Yes, we can say many checks, or we can say a few checks. And can you find another word? Yes, let's look at this row. Banknote. Banknote. Is banknote countable or uncountable? Yes, it's countable now. So can we say many banknotes? Yes, we can say many banknotes. Can we say a lot of banknotes? Yes, because a lot of is used with countable and uncountable. Can we say much banknotes? No, we cannot, because banknote is uncountable and much is used with banknotes is an uncountable word, so that we cannot say much banknotes. And we have another word here, which is food. Food is also uncountable noun. So we can say a little food or much food. Or we can say some food, any food. Can we say a few food? No, we cannot, because food is considered uncountable. And we have another word here, which is chocolate. Chocolate. And we have money. And we have only the last two. So this is the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.